South Asian University as a beautiful sapling planted 16 years ago by the 8 member nations of SAARC. And initially, this sapling was planted in a humble pot in 2010. For years, it nurtured patiently its master's and the PhD programs. And now we have our own 100-acre beautiful campus where the nature meets the tech magic, where the sound of peacocks merges beautifully with the glow of smart screens and the modern labs, driving the cutting-edge research. At SAU, we believe that choosing your academic path should not be limiting, rather it should be empowering. And that's the reason for admissions 26-27, we continue to offer multiple pathways for these students. You can choose to apply through SAU entrance test, which is scheduled to be conducted on 25th and 26th of April this year. And the other option is that you can choose to go through our direct mode. So if you are appearing in any of the national level eligibility tests, then you can use your score to secure your seat. For example, for Indian students, you can apply in our BTech program through your JEE scores, and that would be considered. Likewise, if you are appearing in CUET UG, CUET PG, CLAT, CAT, NAT, GMAT, NET, JRF, then all these scores would be considered appropriately for the programs. Also, for other SAARC nation candidates, they can get a seat based on their scores in the qualifying examination as well. We at SAU offer a wide range of UG, PG and PhD programs which are spanning across engineering, technology, management, sciences, legal studies, social sciences. You name it and we have the program. The programs that are relevant, the programs that have roots, the programs that are futuristic, the programs that are interdisciplinary. Well, the highlights of the current admission cycle include the launch of our BBA LLB and BA LLB, in addition to our well-established LLM and PhD programs in the Faculty of Legal Studies. We have also started with BA Honours in Media Arts and Design, MA in Journalism and Digital Media in our Faculty of Arts and Design. In our successfully running BTech Computer Science and Engineering programs, we have added a new specialization to the existing programs, which is quantum computing. Now, in our Sociology department, we have started with the MA in Communication for Sustainable Development. Our Faculty of Management has launched MS in Business Analytics program in addition to our existing integrated BBA, MBA, MBA and PhD programs. If you want to study the intersection of all the sciences and specialize in one, then our integrated BSMS Interdisciplinary Sciences program is for you, which we started last year. So you see that we have a plethora of programs. It's your interest, your choice. You can choose any one in which you feel your dream lies in. So, as I shared earlier that we have various modes, you can choose any mode to take admission in SAU programs. It's your choice. You can choose to apply in either or both the modes. Yes, we value your experience, and that's the reason we started with our Executive PhD and MBA program, for which you do not need to appear in any entrance test. Fill the form in the direct mode and appear in the interview. We at SAU truly believe that one exam doesn't define you, and so we have created all these multiple pathways for admissions to SAU. Yes, Robert Frost said these beautiful lines. 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the difference to my life. But I think that the story at SAU is different. You can take both the roads and still reach your destination. A multicultural, diverse and enriching experience at the beautiful campus of SAU, built by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, awaits you. And I truly believe that you need to visit SAU to have a real feel of the place, the facilities and the environment that is truly a space, a place for creativity and empowerment.